Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you the PeepOS or PeepOS. I don't know how to pronounce that, what is the pronunciation, but this is the PeepOS 10 by Atharv and it's based on MIUI 10 and Android version 7.0 Nougat. So let's begin. So guys, as you can see here, the MIUI version here is the PeepOS 10 2.9.20. Android version here is 7. Security patch level here is 1st of March 2019, which is a pretty old one. And the kernel here is, as you can see, Extrema Kamui kernel. So that is a good kernel. So this was the specifications, and here also you will be having a storage issue because it's just the MIUI with all the bloatware, so you will be having a storage issue. Let's go to the home screen. This is the home screen and you get to see the newest app drawer available here, the launcher, Xiaomi launcher with the app drawer. Then on the right swipe you get to see the app vault, and this is also the latest app vault available, and this is based on a Chinese MIUI. So this will be what you get, the latest app vault here. These are all the system apps. You get the security app, screen recorder and everything. Then this is the gallery app and everything. So first of all, let's just go to the settings here. This is the settings menu, or same as the MIUI 10, almost same, but the addition you get here is the pip modes. Here you get to see the icon arrangement like the iOS style, center clock, left battery, like I'll set the peep style. The icon arrangement of the status bar will be changed here. As you can see, the icon arrangement has changed, and if you do the iOS style, this is what it happens. So as you can see, it has changed to iOS style. The network indicator on the left, in the center the time, and on the right side the battery. Okay, then moving forward to the next, here is the QoS styles and panels. You can set the enable tile animation. As you can see, that animation has enabled the tile animation style, default, rotate and everything. Like let's set the rotate Y. Okay, nothing is just happening with the tile animation. It's just the same, like it's just the same animation, nothing is just getting. So I just don't know what is just happening, but it's just the same. And here are the colors. You can set the Wi-Fi icon color, the SIM card icon color and everything. You can set the clock size. As you can see up here, you can just set the clock size and everything. You can customize the clock color, clock font style, bold, italic, unbold, italic. You can set the network speed indicator colors and everything. So this is the customizations option available, the additional customization available other than MIUI stuff. Okay, then moving forward to the display settings. These are all the display settings, just the same. You get to see the option rounded corners, so that is great here. Then raise to wake device here is working, but it's a little bit slow, man. Then moving forward to the wallpapers. These are all the wallpapers available, not the MIUI 12 ones. These are just the old ones, the MIUI 10 wallpapers are available here. Okay, then going to the themes. These are all the themes available. I have set it to CC because it has the MIUI 12 icons and stuff. Other is the default one, this one, and the classic one. And here is the Poco theme available here. So these are the themes available here. Then moving to the sounds and vibration. These are all just the same sounds and vibration stuff. You get to see the vibrate on tap, like the light, medium and strong option available here, so that's great. Then going to the lock screen and password. As you all know that my fingerprint scanner is dead, like it's an hardware issue and it's not working. So I don't know if the fingerprint is working or not, but it should be working. And that is the face data available here, and this is not working. As soon as you try to add your face data, the phone will get hanged. You can just set the screen lock, only the screen lock, otherwise you cannot set nothing. Okay, then these are all the options, the lock screen bar, launch camera. Going to the advanced settings, these are the options, smart cover mode and everything, double tap to sleep. These are the options available here for the lock screen. Going to notifications and status bar. These are the options available here, notification icons and LTE instead of 4G, and connection speed and everything. Then you get to see the notification style, just the same MIUI options are available, all the same MIUI. Then going to the home screen and recents. Here is the option available for the app vault. You can turn it on from here, and home screen if you want the regular home screen, or you can use it with the app drawer. So the newer app drawer launcher here is available, so I prefer the app drawer one. Then you can set the double tap to lock screen and everything, just the same. Okay, then going to this is the second space option available here, the battery and performance here. Let's see the battery usage stats here. The screen on time is 44 minutes from around 75 to 65%. So battery life here is not an issue. Battery life here is great. For the 10 to 12% of the battery drain, I got around 45 minutes of screen on time, so that's great. Then you get the power settings, performance and balance mode. You get the smart scenes options and everything. Just the MIUI stuff, normal MIUI stuff are available here. Going to the additional settings, these are the additional settings. You get to see the quick ball here, and quick ball here is working absolutely fine. As you can see here, the quick ball here is working fine. And as you saw that there is a bug here, the wallpaper got automatically changed. I didn't change, I just opened the wallpaper settings and it got automatically changed. So that is a bug, I don't know what's happening. Then you get the button gestures and shortcuts available here. You get a notification, lights, headphone and audio effects, just the same UI stuff, accessibility, printing, developer options and everything. Okay, here the animation scale was set to 0.5x. I had changed to 1x, so I don't like the fast animations. That is it for the settings. These were the settings available here. And talking about the app lock here, the app lock here is working absolutely fine. I'll just show you. So, and as you can see, the app lock here is working absolutely fine. Then as you can see, here is the home screen, and here is the app vault I just showed you. So guys, now talking about the quick settings, here are the quick settings, and I would like to tell you that mobile data here is not working for the Vodafone Idea SIM card and the Airtel also. So VoLTE here is a problem. So then Wi-Fi here is working, flashlight here is, as you can see, working fine, GPS, clock screen, everything is working. You get to see the nearby share available here. Then screen recorder here is also working absolutely fine, no worries with it. That is it for the quick settings. Then talking about the camera here, you get the Xiaomi camera, and here the AI mode is available here. This camera here is working absolutely fine, no worries with this camera here. As you can see, let's just click a picture. It's very slow, I would say. As you can see, the shutter speed here is very slow and it is lagging a bit. Here is the video mode, and the video here is also working absolutely fine. Now let's check out the video quality. You get to see the HDR videos here available. Going to the settings, here are the video quality, FHD plus 30, 1080p 30 fps, 4K 30 fps, and then 720p 30 fps option here are available. These are the options available, and you get to see the video stabilization also, and the time lapse and slow motion options are also available here. Overall, the video camera app here is working fine. Moving forward to the gallery app, the gallery app here is just updated, fully updated, newest to one. And I'll show you the filters here. These are the filters available here. The master and the sky filters are also available here. The sky filters are working absolutely fine, as there is no sky detected in this photo, so that is it. Then here you get to see the Google Camera 5.1, but it is just not working. The phone will just get hang as soon as you try to click a photo. Okay, it is working fine now, but at first I tried to use it, but that time the phone got hanged. It happened for 3 times, and now here this time here is working fine. I don't know how. Okay, it showed it colors, man. As you can see here, it got hanged. So as I saw that the Google camera here is not working. It sometimes it works randomly, so Google camera here is just not working. Then talking about the another app, like the file manager, here is the newest one available here. The fully updated file manager here is available, as you can see. So this is great. Then talking about the security app, the security app here is not the latest one, it's the older one only, and it's working fine. And the cleaner here is I have set to Tencent, and it's available, the Clean Master app. Talking about the safety net status here, let's check the safety net status. For installing the Magisk, the safety net status was failed, but after just install the Magisk manager and rooted the phone. Now let's check if the safety net has passed or not. and still here as you can see the safety status has failed, so the banking apps here will not run. Talking about the YouTube here, the YouTube here is working absolutely fine, no worries with the YouTube and video playback, everything here is working fine. And as you can see here, this lag here, this is a big problem here, this lag. So now let's talk about the bugs here. There are so many bugs. As you can see, this lag here is available here. Sometimes the phone just lags, hangs and a lot, and after installing the ROM I had faced the hang problem, and I had faced it around 5 to 6 times just in few hours. So the hang problem here is there, and as you can see the black screen problem, so the hang is an issue. Then talking about the another issue here is the VoLTE here is not working for the Idea Vodafone and the Airtel SIM. I don't know for the Jio, but for these two here it's not working. Then talking about the Google apps, all the Google apps here are working, and the Google camera here is not working. And you get the pre-installed Google Chrome browser, not the Me browser. Me browser here is just removed, and you get to see the Me video and everything. So there will be there is an storage issue because of these. And if you don't know how to uninstall these system apps, there is a card available here. I will leave the card for that video, or the link will be in the description. If there is not card, the link will be in the description for that video, how to uninstall the system apps in any Xiaomi phone. So that was it. These were the bugs available here. So guys, if you still haven't subscribed to the channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel and join the Telegram group. Okay, so guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.